Harry's going in the woods. So, I see Riley. Whoa! Stop hitting my gun! Oh my god, stop hitting my gun, dude! They keep hitting my gun! Yo! Cover me! Maverick, cover me! Oh my god. What?
So Ben, when you gonna call it? If Ben hits me, I'm not calling it. I'll sit and watch.
Oh, hit.
Top? Yeah, come on top here, let's say. Look right there. Yeah. Straight ahead, okay? Keep looking outside. Yeah, that's not bad.
What should I do?
got this side over here.
Come up.
No. Take that side.
What's that?
Right. You see that guy on that side?
No. I'm gonna go behind the table, okay?
Left-hand side.
Respawn! I'm kind of busy with Riley. John, we have 4 lives.
Alright.
They're both up there. There's some people like back there.
Yeah, come on, John. Watch behind you.
Oh.
I'm not in yet. Oh my god. Just off that left side. Just on that side. Right side there. Yeah. No, it's only when you pop it down. Yeah, we'll get fucked up up here. Yeah. Shit, it popped out.
Oh my god. Whoa. I think that hit the camera, but I'm not sure. Whoa. Riley, I'm hit. I'm hit. Yeah. Where should I go?
How many lives do you still have?
I have 2.
Stay down there for one more.
Well, Riley's over there, and
We barely have room up here. Right there, Maverick, right there.
um,
Who is it? Oh no. Make sure you say some more. You don't have a lot of that. Oh, you do? Yeah. Well, just be careful, dude. I'm still in my face. It's coming from this side. It's Jimmy on the tree. Keep an eye out for air, because you know these.
I wish I had this sniper rifle.
Yeah, well, air can hear this thing some shit. Guys, keep an eye on the left side because you don't want them coming up underneath us. Because they'll tear us up underneath.
God, why does Riley have few over there?
What?
Riley's over there, and
Oh, shit. Where?
over by the tree over there, so
Which
whatever, I'll try my luck. Respawn. Dude, they're hit. Oh my god. I'm hit, Riley. Oh my god. Riley, I'm hit! I'm hit. Riley, I'm hit!
God, he's such an idiot. He's hit!
Oh my god. Well, I have 1 life left, so should I come up there?
4 people up here? Oh, that'd be the orgy.
Whatever, I'm coming up.
Come up here, dude. We're on the orgy.
Alright,
Whoa!
Maverick, let me
I'll have to respawn. I haven't respawned yet.
run your back. Oh my god, I'm scared! Who's behind us this way? Who's on the back? Who's on the back here? Who's back there? Who's back here? Who's back here? Zach. Who's on the back?
Riley.
Why isn't there a fucking door here?
There isn't.
Maverick could be the door.
I'm not fucking in the door.
Should I mute him?
Do it. You're gonna get your ass.
Show him my hairy butthole. Guys, look at this Italian ass. If only I was black. If only I was black, I could have some mad hobs.
You can like jump off.
Hello?
Get in the fucking roof. I'm checking.
Oh, getting juicy here. Watch the bottom. You watch out this window. Make sure no one comes up here. I'm
What?
saving my ammo.
I can only see like this part.
Saving my ammo for a rainy day.
Do you guys want me to run out and see if I get shot?
Oh my god, no.
Nah, dude. See? You're gonna get shot. What?
Nah, nigga.
Said you're gonna get shot.
I have a car tonight. Just saying. I asked my mom.
Word.
I really don't want to get shot in the butt.
Ooh, you have a nice ass.
Thank you.
Dude, is that camera on? The camera's on.
You hit? Got him! Fucker. It wasn't right.
I wish I had a good gun.
Justin.
Dude, if I had a good gun, I'd be raping ass right now.
Yeah, my dad watches these.
Yeah.
I just told... Yeah, never mind.
Yeah. Alright, dude. Okay. Keep watching out there, dude. Where's Zach and, what's his name out there?
Zach's right here.
Harry, you can't run across there!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Dude, I just got hit with a ricochet.
Where are they at? That was there. He's a sniper. I took my head out.
Oh, God. I feel like I just broke my goddamn nose.
I don't want to move now.
Oh, my God.
Watch
I like reflected, smacked me right in the freaking hole. Oh. Oh. Who's else ready to die?
Dude, we're gonna get... What's the objective?
Come.
To like
Maverick,
just
get ready,
guard
Get
this.
ready to turn out here, okay?
How many lives do they have?
They have
I'm not
2.
gonna be fucking able to turn out there. Holy shit, I just saw that BB air. Oh my god!
So
Get away! Someone shoot Eric. We can't, dude. We don't have a chain.
Whoa.
Maverick, let me get that gun. Here.
Got him. Riley's down.
How much does this have in it?
Like half a mag.
He's got 2 more.
You can go ham.
Alright, Riley's down. Someone else is in the back there. I can't see him. You can't move in front of the house!
Mag.
Yeah, I don't think it's half full.
Shut up, Jack.
Are you dead? Are you dead? You can't run in front of the house.
I got it. I see him.
That's Jim.
That's Jim.
I really want to hit Harry right now. He's like right there on the house. Come on, Riley.
Don't waste my ammo.
I'm hitting him, I know it.
Wait, did anyone get Riley yet? Alright, so that was his first death. Okay. This is the last one.
Dude, if Riley wasn't over there, I would have done so much better.
Oh, man. Oh.
Doesn't sound like he's coming out of there. Doesn't sound
That's
like he's
Eric.
coming out.
It is.
Harry.
I feel like John's just gonna get shot.
Yeah, combat machine, you're doing good today. You can see a Jim. No, that's Justin.
Oh,
Is that a hit or a ricochet?
Oh,
that was a ricochet. It wouldn't sound that loud.
Hold on, I got you, Maverick.
What the? Oh yeah, there's no pin on that, is
Here,
there?
Put
Yeah,
that back
'cause-
on.
Tanner lost
I
it.
got Little Ben lost the pin on it, didn't he?
Tanner or Little Ben, I forget which one.
I'm pretty sure it was Little Ben.
Oh, yeah, he has a history of that stuff.
It was Steve.
Is that the kid who got a fucking boot for his fucking...
Nah,
Christmas?
yeah,
Yeah.
Ben did. Little Ben got a boat. for Christmas.
Fuck! Fuck it.
Oh my god! Ah! Ah!
Come on.
Eric, did I hit you?
That one almost.
Let me get that.
Okay.
I'm almost fucking up.
Yo, he's moving in the back. While he's moving through the back, go ahead and look through out that side.
I don't have a gun.
What? Yeah, buddy!
Here, trade.
Oh!
Trade back.
No!
Yeah.
I'm effing them all!
Alright, well,
I see Jim. See, I told you, put a good gun in my hands. They'll poop on their chest.
now keep looking out the side here for me.
I told Laura I was chilling with you. She told me not to flirt with you.
Fire with me?
Yeah. She said, hey, don't be flirting with him.
That's funny.
Yeah, that Emily Wood chick hates me because I broke up with Jenna.
Well, fuck her. Jenna wasn't
Emily
right
what?
for you. Jenna.
She wanted people to. She wanted,
I don't want to even say anything more because it's on
Did
video.
you
camera.
did you tell you about the babies thing?
No.
She said that she wanted to have his babies.
Jenna said she want. Ew! Yo! What the
Oh
heck?
shoot, dude, that scared me. Oh my god.
and that.
Oh! Is that why you broke up with her?
Not.
Yeah,
that was
that's
one of the reasons.
that is haggard, dude.
I'm haggard. I saw Jim back there, but I don't know where he
There's
was.
Justin and Harry. They're moving back into the woods.
Wait, you can't go a certain
Yeah, wait,
distance.
here.
can you?
Let me have my gun. Quick.
I was gonna go over.
I need
you
to
can't.
see my gun quick. There's a
Can,
guy
can
right
you sit at the
here. Can I? Here.
Can you sit at that box right there?
Yeah.
You can sit at that
I'm
brown
not fucking
box
sitting there with this shit.
right out there.
Yeah.
Well then,
You see someone?
I was gonna say, Maverick,
Yeah.
just let him use yours. Hold that.
Whoa.
Yo, that was Jim throwing them.
Oh my god, if he throws one in, I'm gonna kill him.
Oh, I'll fucking do it.
Yeah, I'll punch him in the fucking head.
I'll dump him on his head. Do I have anything in the Maverick? Ew.
You're not gonna call.
Ew, why does it... What the fuck?
What?
What the... Did you...
What have you been doing? Did you wash your hands?
Yeah!
Yo, I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you, dude.
What did you do?
If what I just smelled is what I think, I'm gonna kill you.
Dude, I went to scratch my nose. I was like...
Oh no, I don't have any mags left.
Here.
You got me?
Yeah, just refill it when you're done.
Oh, dude. Ew, what, did you use .25?
No.
Oh.
.2.
I don't have .2s though, sorry. I'm using 2.5.
I saw Harry, but I don't know
Right
where
there.
he went. Oh, there he is.
We gotta move it on this side right here.
Dude, call yourself Harry. Okay, I got him.
Guys, right here.
Well, your ass is in my
I got it.
face.
Oh, wait, here we go. Here we go.
How did you not tell me that? This mag is not shooting in here.
Dude, is this a 3-round burst or something?
No.
Watch.
Nah, it is,
Watch my finger.
I know. It's his trigger thing.
Sniper on the bulldozer, dude.
Really?
That's part of
Yo, dude, he's gonna hit me. Can I, like, go over there?
Not over here.
Why?
Look how much space we have.
Here, just take this, just take that.
What,
I'm just gonna call hit and go fill up.
Okay.
Just let him use that.
Bring some
I'm
BBs
hit!
up here. Bring BBs up.
I'm it.
Yo, I'm moving over here.
What do you want?
Just anything to fill this thing up.
I'll bring .25.
Yo, okay, there's a guy straight out there.
John, you want me to bring your BBs up?
Yeah. Straight out?
Yeah. No, like, see, Maverick, see the guy
I
walking?
see him walking.
Yeah.
Okay, he's too far. That thing, dude, I'm telling you, it sucks ass.
It's not even shooting.
Someone at that box. John, someone at that box.
Oh.
Is that mag filled?
Yeah.
No.
No? I don't have a gun then, because this isn't shooting. Oh, shoot.
Watch out.
Is your gun jammed?
Yeah.
Eric's right here.
I'm going to get out.
Don't. Shit. I need ammo. Here, give me that mag underneath here.
I'm jammed.
Mine.
Out!
Wind that up. Wind this one up. Teamwork.
Always works. Except when I don't have a gun.
that one around? Huh? What?
Wait, what did you say?
Here.